Is there any way to run File Explorer as administrator under Windows 10? After install Windows 10, it seems that I lost the ability to run Explorer.x as administrator with the user in administrator group. The reason I want to do that is, in our team's development environment, we are using a ch-x to do some environment configuration, which will start command prompt under administrator mode and substat drive. As a result, those substat drives are not visible within the File Explorer since it is run not as administrator. That will be kind of inconvenience and sometimes make mistakes. I was able to run Explorer.x from Task Manager with the option Create with Privileges checked, and then I can see all the drives in Explorer. But now this is not working anymore. I knew there are other options to work around this workflow, but just want to make sure that if it is now totally impossible under Windows 10. Any comment is appreciated.
I discovered a way to run Explorer as admin some time ago. Start regedit.x and go to the following key. You should be able to copy/paste this string into the regedit address bar. Key _classes _root /c for 3 cdc 436 fa4 e20 e02 07525 oc2. Make a right click on permissions and set your user as owner. Click on Advanced button to be able to take ownership of the key and give your current user writing permissions. Or use the third-party tool windowsexplorer to get full control of the key. Next, delete or rename the value runos. Now the elevated unelevated Explorer factory, which causes that the run as admin is ignored, is disabled and you can start the Explorer with admin rights. Note, in order to start Explorer as admin after having done that, don't do this. Task Manager and GT, Run and GT, Explorer.x with this admin administrator checked. It will not work. Instead, create an Explorer shortcut on desktop. Right-click on it and select Run as admin or edit the shortcut in GT, Advanced and GT, Run as administrator.
For small things like browsing a folder that cannot be browsed without Elevated Explorer, I start Elevated Notepad and then in the File Open dialog I can browse all directories. With right click I can do quite a bit. It's a fast solution that mostly does the trick.
Start command line as administrator. Type these commands. To apply the accepted solution of at Maicondre 1981 with a copy in AMP, past PowerShell script, just execute the following from an elevated PowerShell prompt. It renames the runos value name to _runos.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.